Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm here in the lovely little village. I was about to say town, but it's actually a little village and it's called Threlkeld. So I'm here in Threlkeld with my lovely mum. And today we're going to be hiking up to Blencathra. We're really excited. We're going to take a nice leisurely walk up to Blencathra. We're going to be taking the easy route. And yeah, we're excited to see some stunning views here in the North Lakes. The weather today is absolutely just stunning, as you can see. It's so beautiful. Honestly, so happy that we're hiking during such lovely weather. It's so beautiful in the Lake District when you get like the very beautiful scenery and you get stunning views from up top. Honestly, just so beautiful and from up there. So yeah, can't wait to go up to Blencathra, capture some lovely views with the drone as well. And yeah, just feeling excited, feeling pumped. I'm not wearing too many layers actually as well. Only wearing this fleece and a little t-shirt beneath this. And I'm probably gonna take the fleece off actually because it's actually really warm. And yeah, guys. But yeah, how pretty. It's quite late actually today as well. It's already past 2 p.m. because we really just wanted to have a nice leisurely walk up to Blencathra via the easy route. So we're not going to be scrambling up the ridge. We're just going to go around. I'll show you where that is in the map, on the map. We're just going to go around and then go up the easy route to Blencathra. So yeah, we started quite late. We had a nice little time in Keswick where we're staying this morning because the market was there on a Thursday morning. So we did a bit of shopping, bought a few bits and bobs, and yeah, just really enjoyed the morning. And yeah, just wanted to have a not too challenging of a walk today. So really looking forward to having just a nice, slow, leisurely walk up to Blencathra and just really enjoy it and enjoy the sun. I'm actually sweating, you guys. It's so lovely, so lovely. We started our ascent a little while back via Blease Fell, and today I'm definitely feeling it in my legs. The walk is actually not that steep, it's quite gentle, but it does seem like quite a while up and quite a while to go really before we get to Blencathra. And yeah, I'm feeling it quite a bit to be honest, because I think it's just really warm as well. But how beautiful is it? Honestly, totally worth it. Just coming, even just to this point, just to see these stunning views. How gorgeous, right? today, classic. And it actually got a bit squishy in my bag. I'll show it to you guys. You know, a little bit squished. But yeah, hopefully this is going to give us a bit of energy and sustenance. Because I actually haven't tried the brown candle mint cake before. I've only ever tried the white sugar one. So yeah, try and have a bit of this actually. And hopefully it'll give us a bit of a little sugar rush to keep going. I think we definitely need it. Yeah, let's go try it. Let's give it a go. Guys, this is it. We can finally see the top. Ooh, just over there. That is very much the top of Blencathra. So yeah, just about 10 more minutes, estimate 10-15 minutes, and we'll be at the top. Absolutely buzzing. Yay! How stunning. I love how the sun rays just come through the clouds, and yeah, I just love when that happens, when you get the sun rays that come through, because it just looks so lovely. It just sort of gives you that celestial feeling, you know, like the light shining from above, and you just feel like, ooh, you know, like a beautiful, like amazing sort of celestial place, you know, just a bit magical, really. Yeah, that's the word, magical. Like, I love when the light comes down. It just looks very magical. And yeah, how stunning. Look at this views. Ah! We walked a long way, to be fair. Like, we walked a long way. But it's really nice, actually, up here. Once you do the sort of climbing bit at the beginning, you go through you climb a bit at the beginning on the walk, and then once you get to the top here, it's just a bit of a straight walk, really. There's a bit of going up, so we are going up a little bit, but I wouldn't even call this a climb, to be fair. We're definitely still ascending, we are going up, but it isn't like a hard climb or anything. It's quite a nice, comfortable, gentle walk. I mean, you can see the way we came from there. It's been sort of like a gentle up, down, up, down. There's been 2 fake peaks, and yeah, I think there's a third fake peak just over there, and then Blencathra is just the one over there. So yeah, it's nice. Definitely been a nice, gentle hike, to be fair. It's yeah, definitely nice, easy walk. Definitely recommend it if you're a beginner hiker, or if you just want to get into hiking and you haven't really tried hiking before. I think this was definitely like a nice sort of gentle walk. It was definitely still challenging. I could definitely feel my legs at the beginning, but yeah, no, just a nice walk, and absolutely stunning, gorgeous views. Yeah, last little push now. So last little push before, but another last little push, and then yeah, because when I was looking at it there, I thought that'll be it, but that was a fake peak. So yeah, sometimes you get a bit tricked when you're up in the mountains. You think, oh yes, that one, but then it turns out you get there, and there's another mountain behind it. You're like, oh no, it's actually the one behind it. Oh, it's stunning up here. We made it to Blencathra! Guys, here we are at the top of Blencathra, and the views are absolutely spectacular. nice gentle walk going down. We're just following the footpath where we came from, and yeah, it's just a nice walk back down. We're going back to Threlkeld, and we're going to then catch the bus. Yes, we're going to be very comfortable in Threlkeld and catch the bus all the way back to Keswick, where we're going to go and get a nice spot of dinner, some nice food. Really needing some dinner right now. I'm actually absolutely starving, so yeah, really looking forward to get some food. We are now back in Keswick, and we're just going to finally get some dinner.